What we need. Oh, looks like they're open the wrong way.
Oh, that's cool. Do I need an apron?
Oh, you got that?
Yeah, I don't want to get dye on my hands.
No, I did.
Okay, so we put drops in here.
No, first we have to start telling people what we're doing because they don't know what we're doing.
Okay, well,
it's like, ready? Okay, here we are, Gerda and Brian's, and we're going to make Saskatchewan outdoor Christmas decorations. And you only need 5 things. Cold weather, plenty of that in Saskatchewan. Balloons, food coloring, back up, food coloring. Then a paper plate, one of those hors d'oeuvre plates, and water. Now, we take a balloon and we take food coloring and we put the food coloring in the balloon we squeeze. This better turn out. Okay. Good. And then you take the balloon this way, like this, and you take it and you be very careful because this is a great thing to do with your grandkids or your kids. Then you turn the tap on. Very simple. You fill the balloon up. Brian, can you get this going here? And make sure the balloon doesn't have a hole in it. And you shake it a little bit while you're doing it, so the food coloring goes all around. And then you turn the water, when it fills up a little bit, off. Okay. Then you take it off, and you can't get what I'm doing in the sink. Anyway, you tie it. And then you take the balloon, and you put it in a hors d'oeuvre sort of bowl, dessert type thing, small one, because then the bottom is flat. And when you put it out onto your driveway or your steps or in your flower pot, then you put this outside. You leave it overnight. The balloon probably will crack, and when it does, you have a beautiful red round ball, a Christmas Saskatchewan outdoor Christmas decoration. Okay, now we'll bring it outside. Okay, here we go. Okay, you take your balloon and you bring it outside. And you can make as many of these as you wish. And you bring it outside and you leave it outside on the ground overnight and it will freeze. And then, just like they do on TV, we have one that's already done. And what you do is you peel the balloon off. And when you peel the balloon off, there you go. You have a beautiful red decoration. And that decoration could go in flower pots, it could go on your stairs, and it can all kinds of different colors.
Lovely!
This has got to look sensible.
Okay.
People got to have like, what we want to do
What
it.
a great Saskatchewan idea.
It is, and it's cold enough here to do it.
Cold
well, there you go,
enough
ladies and gentlemen.
Cold enough to freeze your balls.
People how to do it, right?
Trial and error, right now.
Yeah.
Don't rush me.
Yeah, up it goes. Turn it on. You can turn it on. Yeah, shake your balls when you do it. It's the best way, because then the food coloring goes all through them. Now, if you happen to be Greek, you could do blue and white. Or if you happen to be a Newfoundlander, you could do green, white, and pink.
Or a Ryder fan.
Or a Ryder fan, you could do green and white. There's no end to it. And you don't do that. This is not what you do. This is, you have to be very careful. I'm an expert, of course. Yes. Food coloring everywhere. Okay, very good then. Okay. Okay. Here's the proper way to do it.
Do over.
Here's the proper way to do it. Squeeze. Okay, get the food coloring on your fingers. It doesn't matter. Put it up here and hold. And here we go.
Shake your balls.
And shake your balls, Christmas balls. Saskatchewan outdoor Christmas decorations. And you can make them as big as you want, actually. And it's always good to have an assistant, so she can turn the water off when you say turn the water off. Thank you. And off it comes. Got to make sure you squeeze the top so the water doesn't pop out. Then you tie it. Doesn't make any difference what color the balloon is, by the way. Just difficult to tie. There you go. And you got Outdoor Saskatchewan Christmas decorations. And of course, food coloring all over your hands. Yes. That's it. There you go, ladies and gentlemen. That's how it's done. Now, we'll let the amateurs try, and you'll see how easy it really is.
So what color
Okay.
did you make the last one?
I made it green. Rotate your colors, of course.
Of course.
Yes, of course.
Blue one.
Yes, it's fun for the kids. They love balloons. They love ice. They love food coloring. Now we can only get this to. Okay. Hold it up tight. Turn it on. Faster. And you can just hold the bottom and shake. And here we go. Fill it up.
That's good. It's gonna pop.
No, no,
Turn it
no.
off, turn it off,
No,
turn it
no,
off,
no, not gonna pop.
Turn it off. It's gonna get
No, don't worry.
you. Turn it off.
Now it's done. Now you keep it tight. Don't lose it, because it'll spray all of you. Huh? Yeah. And then you tie it. And
This is the
difficult,
trickiest
that's
part,
the
'cause it's
trickiest part.
slippery.
Yeah, yeah. Years of experience to do this.
I'm sure.
Years.
Which you have so much of.
Yes. Oh.
Don't pull it
There
up
you
by the
go.
knob. Don't pull it up by the knob.
And there you go. Done. And there are your Christmas balls for outside. Yes.
Turn off the video camera.
Okay, that's it.